Hello friends! Today I want to share my story with you and impart some important lessons I learned from the world of crypto trading. This is not just a tale of financial ups and downs, but also a crucial warning about why taking care of your health in this world is so important. Once upon a time, I dove headfirst into crypto trading. I dreamed of success, financial independence, and the boundless wealth promised by cryptocurrencies. But in this search of ambition and passion, I almost lost myself. Sleepless nights, constant mood swings, and endless hours in front of the monitor became my reality. My focus was on finances, not on my health. At the time, it seemed normal. At first, I ignored the small warnings from my body, but over time, headaches, sleep problems, and constant fatigue grew stronger. I was on the path to financial success, but I almost lost my most valuable asset, my health. It was at this moment that I realized how important it is to balance my ambitions with caring for my physical and emotional well-being. Let's talk about how I found this balance and how it affected my life and financial success. The next stage of my journey into crypto trading was immersing myself into a stressful market atmosphere. With each passing day, as cryptocurrency prices fluctuated, stress and uncertainty only increased. There were moments when the price skyrocketed, only to plummet swiftly afterward. My emotions were on edge and I reacted to every market movement. It was a period of high stress that began to affect my physical and mental health. Stress became the normal. Every time my portfolio lost value, I felt physical pain. I withdrew into myself, lost sleep, and eventually began to experience psychological problems. Health became secondary to me because I was enchanted by the world of finance. I didn't notice how stressful and uncomfortable emotions led me into deep trouble. And that's when I realized that without taking care of myself, I couldn't even enjoy the financial success I had strived so hard to achieve. By the time I realized the importance of caring for my health, it was already too late. Physical and emotional breakdown became inevitable. Sleepless nights turned into days spent in front of the screen. Uncontrollable mood swings and neglect of my body led to serious health problems. I noticed that physical alertness was a thing of the past and energy disappeared. Back pain and sudden weight gain became constant companions. My physical activity was minimal and my mental functions noticeably degraded. I couldn't think clearly and analyze the market, making my trading decisions even riskier. Thus, neglecting my physical and emotional well-being led to huge losses, not only financially, but also in terms of health. This bitter lesson became a real turning point in my life. Realizing the threat to my health was a push for change. I understood that for a successful trader, it's necessary not only to make the right financial decisions, but also to make care of the most important asset, my health. My first step was to consult a doctor. I told them about my lifestyle, stress, and physical pains. Together, we developed a recovery plan and started working on my physical health. Fitness, healthy eating, and regular walks became my daily routine. I incorporated healthy habits into my life and gradually began to see positive changes. I paid special attention to improving my sleep. Regular meditation helped me cope with stress and restore emotional balance. I began to understand that successful trading requires not only analytical thinking, but also emotional stability. Today, I can confidently say that these changes not only saved my health, but also influenced my financial decisions. I learned to find a balance between ambition and self-care. So friends, remember, your health is your main asset. Invest in yourself as you would in the market. Only then you can truly enjoy financial success. Thank you for your attention, and until next time, Michael was with you.